So, hello all everyone. See, I'm going to be starting a complete playlist for data science, which is going to be a bootcamp, like 100 hours. Going to be starting. But before going to be starting with the playlist, nowadays you know about data science. It is very, very trending in the market. It's, everything is going to be depending on the data. So much data is going to be generating each and every second. Kind of application. There are multiple kind of applications as resource of data. Data is going to be generating from different various kind of applications. It may be a mobile application, it may be a desktop application, it may be a sensor, it may be a capture images, it may be a video, it may be a text. So it may be audio, it may be a video. Data is huge. From this particular data, how the people have to take a proper decision. That kind of situations, that kind of predictions. Majorly, we will be having a lot of algorithms, a lot of work behind the data, inside of the data. See, what is the meaning of data science? We have a lot of textbook definitions, we have a lot of log definitions, kind of definitions. But very simple definition as of now, I know data science is nothing but it's a scientific approach on data, find insights of it. See, one of my guru was telling about data science is something like finding gold in sand. Gold in the sand. Sand is data. You have the huge data from that particular data. You are going to be finding the particular data, a required thing, a required output. Okay, so that is a simple definition of data science finding. Okay, so this what I can say is finding insights of data, finding insights of right. So our scientific approach on data, scientific approach on data. For finding insights of the data, we have some scientific approach. What is this scientific approach? Is there are some kind of algorithms we have to apply on top of the data using data, different kind of programming language. See, nowadays we have Python programming language, very comfortable programming language, easily used by any kind of developer to work on data science techniques. There are multiple kind of data science techniques. So inside the data science, there is a major topic called machine learning, and there is a one more important terminology called deep learning. Inside the machine learning, deep learning is there. Machine learning is a superset of deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. So for the deep learning, we will be having different kind of techniques. We will see all the different kind of techniques, all the different kind of algorithms, all the different just using with the Python. Okay, so first of all, the complete data science course or machine learning course. Imagine this is a machine learning course, but what are the prerequisites? A prerequisites is nothing but a Python, only Python programming language. And before Python also, what is the prerequisite is the only prerequisite to learn the data science or machine learning, the only thing is passion. So you have the passion to learn data science. You have the passion. Okay, I want to work on data. I want to work on something to implement my own algorithm on top of the requirements. Some kind of passion you should be having. So the passion is important when you have the good passion, and when you have to learn, when you go and learn some programming language called Python, and machine learning techniques, then you can deep learning techniques, and you can able to understand different kind of algorithms. And of the day, you will be having a very good job and you will be. Okay, so from today onwards, I'm going to be starting this. And finally, I'm going to be uploading 100 plus videos on this. 100 plus videos. Okay, it may be something like 120 videos or 150 videos or 170 videos. I don't know. how the number is. I cannot able to go with the end number, but I can say the starting number. Starting number is 100 0, but it maybe have the 100 plus videos I'm trying to upload it from J1. But before going to working with the playlist, this is some kind of introductory session. Some kind of this is called a demonstration title called. Imagine this is the title called what I am going to be delivering in the coming days and all. But take this one as some demo card or some kind of title card for the movie. And one more important thing, one more continuity video I'm trying to uploading with you. That continuity video will be some kind of Python techniques or some kind of data numerical Python library product. And in the playlist, I will upload every video 20 minutes to 30 minutes every day. Every day I will upload. I try to upload a few videos, and finally we will be having 100 plus videos or 100 plus videos for video. Yeah. So that is my agenda, and this is job-oriented program. Completely, if you follow each and every session step by step, definitely job is yours in 2024. But only the thing is, for watching the video, you have to practice. Install the software, install the particular required IDE or required environment, whatever it is. There is no paid environments here for the data science or machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. Only the thing is we need to install Anaconda Navigator. And this Anaconda Navigator is also straightforward, free of cost, no need to pay for this. See, there are some different kind of softwares which are actually licensed ones, but Anaconda Navigator is not licensed one. You can go for Anaconda Navigator, Jupyter, Jupyter, Jupyter or Jupyter. I don't know what is the spelling for that. Okay, so that is the Jupyter. So with the Jupyter is basically a web IDE. Here through this web IDE, we will be having lot of rows as cells. Rows as cells. Inside this, we can able to write Python code. Okay, so using with this Python code, first learn Python programming. The very beginning, we will learn Python fundamentals, Python programming for datasets. This is the first thing we have to learn. The second thing is Python related some libraries which are related to the data science. One is the NumPy, one is the Pandas, one is the Matplotlib kind of thing. One is a Seaborn. Yeah, I will explore all the libraries and frameworks with you. This is the second phase of learning the course. And the third phase of learning the course is completely a machine learning. Okay, so machine learning techniques we are going to be learning after this. And the fourth environment, what is the fourth step we are going to be working with called deep learning. Okay, I'm going to be uploading the videos related to this. And after this, we will go with the NLP. After this, we will go with the computer vision. Okay, so there are some other kind of techniques also I will explore here. And after this, to upload the project, we go with the Django. Better, we can go with the Flask kind of environment to create a web application or to create something. And one more mobile application also we will try to create like a Kiwi or React Native for mobile environment. This is for the web environment. We will create one web application. We will create one web application to deploy this kind of application. Whatever the backend you are doing, that we need to work with a web application, and we will try to do one mobile application also using with the Kiwi kind of this is a mobile application. See, I am telling everything is related to the Python, but yeah, using with the React Native also you can able to do. And you can follow my channel, and you'll be having finding out React videos, HTML, CSS videos, React native videos also, where you can able to find out how to build the front end part for the end-to-end project we will do. We will do front end, we will do back end. At the same time, we will implement data science techniques or machine learning techniques. I hope you got understand. And at the same time, for each and every concept, from Python onwards, for each and every concept, projects are important. Projects, how to implement projects are important. How to implement. So this is the major agenda how to implement projects, what are the real-time scenarios, how to work in a real project. You will see. So still now people are actually watching a lot of videos my from my channel, video, but not subscribe. Please go with subscription. Subscription. So please go with the subscription and press on the bell icon. You will be getting the notification when I upload the new video feature, right? Then don't miss the follow, don't miss the subscription. Thank you. Bye bye. We'll see you again.